let's go straight to the point. To access your weekly and monthly rates, we need to head to the Calendar and Pricing tab and select the Rates plan and click on Add New Rate Plan. Here you can also add flexible, non-refundable, early bird, and custom rates. You probably noticed that rate plans is a nicer way of saying discount. So let's focus on weekly ones first. There's a minimum length of stay of 7 days. You pick your cancellation policy, meal plans, yes or no, set the number of days before you check in that guests can book. And at step 5 is where you pick your starting price on which the discount is added in the next step. I'll leave mine at 15%. But before we continue, I need to make you aware that in most cases discounts overlap with each other, and if you add a couple too many discounts and promotions, you might end up losing money instead of making a profit. Here's the diagram so you know what I mean. I personally lost money when I entered the Genius program and it overlapped with my promotions. I'll put the link for the image down in the description. I strongly advise you to have a look at it. Okay, now let's get back to the setup. At step 7, you choose your listing and finally give it a name. Personally, I find it more convenient to leave it as weekly rate. Now, let's review everything. Minimum stay, cancellation policy, meal plan, availability, price, discount, listing, and name. Last thing to do is to activate it. Okay, then here we are. Now, let's select a new rate plan and let's add the monthly one. As you can see, the monthly one has a 28 night minimum, but everything else is exactly the same. Cancellations, meal plan, how many days before check-in can a guest book this rate plan. I will leave the standard rate as it is, but I will change the discount that I'm offering to 20%. Now we just choose the room and the name we leave it as it is, and let's go and review everything once more. Minimum stay, policy, meals, availability, price, discount, and the room, name, and let's activate it. Okay, and here we have the weekly rate and our monthly rate. Now, since we're still here, let's go create another plan. This time, let's make it a minimum 2 night. So people would need to book at least 2 nights in order to get this discount. We'll give a 5% discount for anyone who books more than 2 nights. Let's just name it 2 night minimum discount. We'll go review, everything the same, all the checkpoints, activate the plan, and there we have it. Our 2 night minimum discount. Now, let's go create one more one. Now, let's go create an early bird discount. Seems fairly straightforward. Let's change it to 30, 1 whole month. All the other things are the standard things by now. Discount, we'll leave it at 15%. And we'll leave the name as it is. Let's review it. Everything seems alright, so let's go and activate it. And here we have all the rates that we created today. Weekly, 2 night minimum. Let's delete the 2 night minimum one, so I can show you as well how to delete one. And we are done. As you can see, it's fairly straightforward and simple. Like I said, if you have any questions, please leave your message down in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.